So I'm going to show you how to draw poses using comics, and we will start off with some Lumberjanes by Noelle Stevenson and Grace Ellis. So that pose there was a retreating pose. We'll start with the head shape and then draw that torso along the action line, followed by the arm that's protecting the head. And the other arm is going to be like running, so it's coming forward. And if that right arm is running forward, moving forward, then the left leg is forward, and then the right leg is back. And so there you have a retreat pose. Next, I like this pose a lot. This is a cannonball, so this could be used a lot in like a summer scene or just, character going crazy. So we have the head, we have the torso, and then drawing the thigh in front of the torso, and then the shins in front of the thigh, and then the feet in front of all of it. And then I'm going to have the arms wrap around the legs. So there's one arm underneath, and then the other arm from the other side is on top. And then we'll erase and clean it up and draw the face with a happy mouth. And then you can add whatever eyes you want there. So there you go, cannonball and retreat pose. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and you can see my stuff on Instagram.